Good morning, dear students. The title which we are studying today is the stability of complex. Means how to decide whether the complex is less stable or more stable, and which factors affect the actually stability of the complex. ये बात आज हम लोग आज के टाइटल में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. See, when we are saying stability of the complex, first of all, it must be clear to us what is complex. Complex होता क्या है? See, whenever any metal is forming a coordinate bond with the, let's consider n number of ligands, they are enclosed in a square bracket and having some specific either positive or negative charge. This is the complex. ये कॉम्प्लेक्स स्टेबल है, ये हम लोग कब बोलेंगे? when the bond between metal and ligand is very strong. If the bond is strong, the complex is more stable. फिर bond stability के लिए क्या factors हैं? Let's see the role of metal and role of ligand. Here, metal played a role as electron pair acceptor. They are receiving the electrons. Who is giving the electrons? Ligand. Means the role of ligand is electron pair donor. Ligand donate pair of electrons towards central metal atom or ion. That metal receive the electrons, accept the electron pair, then coordinate bond is formed between metal and ligand. Means what? According to Levy's theory, the species which donate electron pair acting as Levy's base, and the species which receive the electron acting as Levy's acid. मतलब क्या है? The meaning is that in the formation of complex, the role of metal is as a Levy's acid, the role of ligand as a Levy's base. And when ligand donate pair of electron, metal accept pair of electron, there is a formation of bond between metal and ligand, and that strength of bond between metal and ligand decide the stability of the complex. कॉम्प्लेक्स कितना स्टेबल है, ये मेटल और लिगैंड के बॉन्ड के बीच में बॉन्ड पे डिपेंड करेगा. स्ट्रेंथ, बॉन्ड की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है उस पर डिपेंड करेगा. एंड वी कैन जज दैट वन बाय नोइंग इट्स इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. सर ये कहां से आ गया? सी, इफ one of the metal having some plus A charge is combining with n number of ligand. Let us consider the charge is -x, and when they combine, there is a formation of complex MLN. Now the charge will be plus A minus X. So this is the complex. If I apply law of mass action, अगर मैं इसको law of mass action अप्लाई करता, what is law of mass action? This is actually given by Goldberg and Wage. What they said, according to to law of mass action, when the reaction is in equilibrium, then the equilibrium constant K will be equal to concentration of product, this is plus A minus X, upon concentration of reactant, power N. Now the big question is there in front of the student. So it is okay that you said the concentration of product is concentration of mln square bracket plus A minus X. It is written in the numerator. It is written in the numerator. And you said concentration of product M plus A is okay. But sir, ये N जो है वो पावर में क्यों गया, ये प्रश्न उन बच्चों के मन में आता है. Let me give one example. Suppose the reaction is 2A plus 3B giving C. This is one of the reversible reaction where the equilibrium exists. If I apply the law of mass action, before that C, the same I can write as A plus A, B plus B plus B. This is giving C. दो बार A है तो I can write A plus A. तीन बार B है तो I can write B plus B plus B. Okay. And if now I apply, I will get K. Concentration of product means it is concentration of C. Upon concentration of reactant means concentration of A into concentration of A into concentration of B, concentration of B, concentration of B. And if I solve this one, I will get K is equal to concentration of C upon concentration of A square, concentration of B cube. See, A is 2 moles, so it is square. B is 3 moles, it is cube. Similarly, here ligands are N mole, so the power is N. Clear? So after solving this, I got the equilibrium constant K. And now let's observe the value of equilibrium constant. ध्यान दीजिए please. See, कॉम्प्लेक्स ज्यादा स्टेबल चाहिए. अब कॉम्प्लेक्स अगर ज्यादा स्टेबल चाहिए मींस प्रोडक्ट का प्रमाण ज्यादा होना चाहिए, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज्यादा होना चाहिए. प्रोडक्ट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज्यादा मतलब न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होना चाहिए. न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होना चाहिए इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट ज्यादा होना चाहिए, दोनों ज्यादा है. तो नेचुरली डिनोमिनेटर कम रहेगा यानी रिएक्टेंट का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम रहेगा. If the value of numerator is greater, value of denominator is less, guaranteed the value of equilibrium constant K will be, अगर न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है डिनोमिनेटर कम है तो K की वैल्यू हाई की लो. अगर ये हम लोग डिसाइड करना है, the answer is high. आंसर हाई होना चाहिए क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है, डिनोमिनेटर कम है. आंसर इज हाई मींस इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट हैज अ हायर वैल्यू. चलो उल्टा सोचते हैं. K की वैल्यू ज्यादा है इसका मतलब न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है. न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन की पॉसिबिलिटी ज्यादा है. कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन की पॉसिबिलिटी ज्यादा है मतलब its stability is greater. So the stability of the complex depends upon value of equilibrium constant. Value of equilibrium constant. Greater the value of equilibrium constant, higher the stability of the complex. That is the answer. Let me revise once again. The title is Stability of Complex. What is complex? When metal is forming coordinate bond with the ligand within a coordination sphere, that is a complex. वो complex है. Here, ligand donate a pair of electron, hence acting as a Lewis base. Metal accept pair of electron and acting as a Lewis acid. So, the formation of complex is nothing but the theory of Lewis acid and Lewis base. And the stability of the complex depends upon strength of bond between metal and ligand. More stronger the bond, more stable the complex. If Na plus A combined with N mole of ligand, that is L minus X, then this complex is formed. Apply law of mass action to above reaction. I will get the value of equilibrium constant K, product concentration upon reactant concentration. Here ligand is N mole, that's why power is N. For more stable complex, it is very clear from the expression that higher the value of equilibrium constant, higher the stability of the complex. Thus, the stability of complex depends upon the value of equilibrium constant. Value of equilibrium constant. Higher the value, more the stability of complex. बोर्ड वाइज लिखना कैसे है मैं फटाफट फिर से एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, रिवाइज कर रहा हूं, डाउट अगर है बोल सकते हैं. स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स. इन द कॉम्प्लेक्स metal accept pair of electron and ligand donate pair of electrons. Thus, metal behaves as Lewis acid and ligand behaves as Lewis base. Thus, the complex formation is the theory of Lewis acid and Lewis base. If N plus A metal ion combines with N mole of ligand L minus X, then MLN square bracket plus A minus X complex is formed, where plus A minus X plus A minus X are the charge of metal, ligand and the complex respectively. Then write the reaction. Apply law of mass action. Apply it, you will get equilibrium constant. Concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. From this, it is very clear that for more stable complex, the concentration of MLN square bracket plus A minus X should be higher. And if it is so, it has higher value of equilibrium constant. Thus, it is concluded that greater the value of equilibrium constant, higher the stability of complex. Thus, the stability of complex depends upon the value of equilibrium constant. That is the conclusion. Hope the title Stability of Complex is clear. Let me move further to which factors affect the stability of the complex. Complex stability को कौन-कौन से factors affect करते हैं? Hope stability of complex title is very clear. Stability depend कहाँ पे करती है? There are two factors which affect the stability of the complex. Two factors. Number one, charge to radius ratio of metal. The first factor is charge to radius ratio of metal. Let me explain first of all. Here taking any concern about the ligand. How the charge to radius ratio of the metal affects. See, in the complex, what is the role of the metal? Accept pair of electron from ligand. जितना मेटल का चार्ज ज्यादा होगा, naturally ligands are electron donor, that means they are more electronegative. तो जितना मेटल का चार्ज ज्यादा होगा उतना मेटल लिगैंड के साथ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड बनाएगा. बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग है, स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा, यानी चार्ज ज्यादा, बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग, स्टेबिलिटी ज्यादा. लेट्स डिस्कस रेडियस. जितना रेडियस छोटा है, जितना रेडियस छोटा, एटम छोटा है, रेडियस छोटा होगा. And if the radius is small, definitely the bond length will be short between metal and ligand. And bond length जितना short होगा उतना bond strong होगा. Bond strong है, the complex is more stable. Means when we concern the factor related with metal, that metal should have higher charge and smaller atomic radii, then that metal can form more stable complex. That metal will form more stable complex. That is very well explained by the order which is given by Irving William, known as a Irving-William order. Let me start from iron, cobalt, nickel, copper. Before that manganese. Before that chromium लिख सकते हैं, chromium लिख सकते हैं, but the comparison is given with cadmium. This is all they are having +2 oxidation state. सभी का चार्ज सेम है, ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर इज +2, means they all are having charge same. So when we compare charge to radius, उन सबका चार्ज सेम है, तो न्यूमरेटर से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. रेडियस. नाउ लेट्स सी, हमने कंक्लूड क्या करना कि रेडियस जितना छोटा बॉन्ड लेंथ उतना शॉर्ट, जितना बॉन्ड लेंथ शॉर्ट उतना बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग. तो बॉन्ड रिवर्स बॉन्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग के लिए बॉन्ड लेंथ शॉर्ट, बॉन्ड लेंथ शॉर्ट के लिए रेडियस कम. तो रेडियस कम किसका है? सबसे कम रेडियस इधर कंपैरिजन में कॉपर. सर कैसे? सी, when we observe fourth row in the periodic table, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, means we are moving in the periodic table from left to right. Left to right number of shell remains same, लेकिन एटॉमिक नंबर बढ़ रहा है. एटॉमिक नंबर बढ़ने से न्यूक्लियस में प्रोटॉन की संख्या बढ़ेगी, न्यूक्लियर चार्ज बढ़ेगा, तो उस न्यूक्लियस का इलेक्ट्रॉन के प्रति अट्रैक्शन बढ़ेगा, तो एटॉमिक साइज छोटी छोटी होती जाएगी. एंड इन द पीरियड, इन द डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, व्हेन वी आर मूविंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट, द एटॉमिक साइज डिक्रीजेस, देयरफॉर एटॉमिक रेडाई आल्सो डिक्रीजेस. मैंने जिंक के पहले कॉपर है, सही बोलूं मैं? सर कैडमियम ये फिफ्थ रो से आता है, तो नेचुरली 5 शेल और 4 शेल में 5 शेल तो बड़े होंगे ना. एटॉमिक साइज इज बिगर, मींस एटॉमिक रेडाई इज बिगर. सर ये क्या ऑर्डर दिया आपने? दिस इज द ऑर्डर कौन सा मेटल स्टेबल कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म कर सकता है. कॉपर +2 सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉम्प्लेक्स बना सकता है. This order is given by Irving-William, known as a Irving-William order. This is the order for stable complex. Who form more stable complex? Copper plus 2 form more stable complex. Why? Because in comparison to all these elements, copper plus 2 has a smaller atomic radii. Here, atomic radius of copper is 69 picometer. 69 picometer. That of cadmium is 97 picometer. So 69 is smaller. That's why copper plus 2 can form strong coordinate bond with ligand. And if the metal ligand bond is strong, complex is more stable. मेटल लिगेंड बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग है तो कॉम्प्लेक्स बहुत ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा. लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. लेट्स सपोज आई कंसीडर two complex Cu NH3 4 times plus 2 tetraamine copper 2 ion. Let me consider cadmium complex. I kept the ligand same because just to compare the effect of metal, I am keeping ligand same plus 2. Tetraamine cadmium 2 ion. In these two, I am going to check which one is more stable complex. Copper complex और cadmium complex. दोनों में आप आंसर दे सकते हो. दोनों में ज्यादा स्टेबल कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन बनाएगा? तो लेट मी चेक. मैं मेरी प्रोसीजर अप्लाई करता हूं. लेट मी चेक चार्ज टू रेडियस रेशियो इन बोथ. आप आंसर दे सकते हो कि कॉपर और कैडमियम में ज्यादा स्टेबल कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन बनाएगा? कॉपर, here it is plus 2, cadmium is plus 2 because ammonia is a neutral ligand. तो दोनों का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, मतलब आप बात कॉपर की करो नहीं तो कैडमियम की करो, दोनों का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट सेम है. तो दोनों का चार्ज प्लस. But the radius of copper is 69 picometer. That of cadmium is 97 picometer. और इनको अगर हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं तो नेचुरली कॉपर के लिए डिनोमिनेटर स्मॉल होने के कारण इसका आंसर ज्यादा आएगा. मींस चार्ज टू रेडियस रेशियो ऑफ कॉपर इज ग्रेटर. Charge to radius ratio of copper is greater than cadmium, and therefore copper ammonia complex is more stable than cadmium ammonia complex. This is first factor which affect the stability of complex. Let me revise once again how to write in the board. Concept wise आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Factors. Explain the factors affecting stability of complex. Number 1. Charge to radius ratio of metal. ये heading दे दी हमने. Then, in the complex, metal has a tendency to accept pair of electron from ligand. Thus, the stability of complex depends upon the strength of the bond formed by metal with ligand. The metal will form strong bond with ligand if metal has higher charge and smaller radius. Thus, the stability of complex depends upon charge to radius ratio of metal. More the ratio, more the stability of the complex. Which metal form more stable complex? The order is given by Irving William order. That is reverse अगर मैं सोचूं तो cadmium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper. All they are having equal charge, but the radius of copper plus 2 is less, that is 69 picometer, as compared to cadmium plus 2, that is 97 picometer. Therefore, copper plus 2 has a higher charge to radius ratio in this series. Therefore, copper plus 2 can form more stable complex. If we compare between copper ammonia complex and cadmium ammonia complex, as copper has smaller atomic radii, copper ammonia complex has more stability because of higher charge to radius ratio as compared to cadmium ammonia complex. This is the explanation for factor first, charge to radius ratio of metal. Second, then the discussion will be open. Second factor which affect the stability of the complex is nature of ligand. Nature of ligand. Who is ligand? Ligands are the negatively charged or neutral species and rarely positively charged species which donate pair of electron towards metal to form coordinate bond. They are ligands. Means in the complex, ligand behaves as Lewis base. Ligand behaves as Lewis base. And as ligands are Lewis base, their basic nature is responsible for the stability of the complex. जितना बेसिक नेचर ज्यादा लिगैंड का, उतना इजीली वो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करेगा मेटल को, एंड जितना इजीली मेटल को इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर डोनेट करेगा उतना स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होगा, एंड जितना मेटल लिगैंड का बॉन्ड स्ट्रांग होगा नेचुरली कॉम्प्लेक्स की स्टेबिलिटी उतनी ज्यादा होगी. सो more the basic nature of ligand, more the stability of the complex. Let me give an example. If I compare AgNH3 twice plus complex with Ag cyanide twice minus 1 complex. Don't worry. One is the cationic complex, another is anionic complex. Okay. But here Ag has plus 1 oxidation number because ammonia is 0. Here Ag is plus 1 because cyanide is minus 1, 2 cyanide is minus 2, oral is minus 1, means Ag is plus 1. So in both the complexes, metal is same, its charge is same, so naturally the radius is same. Means in both the case charge to radius ratio इस Ag का और उस Ag का सेम है, और दोनों Ag प्लस का चार्ज अगर सेम है तो मेटल का नेचर जज करके स्टेबिलिटी को जजमेंट नहीं दे सकते, फिर लिगैंड देखना पड़ेगा. Here if you compare the basic nature of ligand, cyanide is more basic than ammonia. Cyanide is more basic than ammonia. आप आंसर दे सकते हो कि साइनाइड और अमोनिया में स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉम्प्लेक्स कौन बनाएगा, फटाक से आंसर आप दे सकते हो. साइनाइड बनाएगा कि अमोनिया बनाएगा? तो वो जजमेंट के लिए हमको पता चाहिए कि हु इज मोर बेसिक, साइनाइड. Who donate electron very easily, cyanide. Who form strong bond with Ag, cyanide. So which complex will be more stable? Dicyanide, Do, silverate, argentinate, 1 ion. This complex is more stable than this complex. Why? Because cyanide is more basic in nature. More basic nature of ligand will form more stable complex. Nature of ligand. Let me explain nature of ligand heading explanation. Nature of ligand. In the complex, ligand donate pair of electrons towards central metal atom or ion to form coordinate bond. More easily donate the pair of electron, more stronger bond will be formed with metal. As ligands donate pair of electron, they are Lewis base. That means it is concluded that more the basic nature of ligand, more stronger the bond will formed. Hence, the complex will be more stable. Thus, more basic ligand form more stable complex. If we compare between AgNH3 twice plus 1, Ag cyanide twice minus 1, these complexes, as cyanide is more basic in nature than ammonia, cyanide will form more stable complex as compared to ammonia. These two are the factors which affect the stability of the complex. Number one is the charge to radius ratio of metal. Number two, nature of ligand. These two factors affect the stability of the complex, and the overall stability of the complex depends upon the value of equilibrium constant. Higher the value of equilibrium constant, higher will be stability. Higher will be stability. And in case of charge to radius ratio, if the charge of metal is higher, if the radius of metal is smaller, charge to radius ratio will be greater. That metal will form more stable complex. In case of ligand, more basic ligand will form more stable complex. Hope you could understood the stability of the complex and factors affecting the stability of the complex.